I love when we start haying my fields off. Boy, do I really enjoy it. It is so nice to be out here. You know, you're just you, the tractor, the machines. Oh, it's just beautiful out tonight. Tell you what, nights like this are a blessing. And sometimes when it's hot out and everything, we forget how much we lack this stuff come winter time when it's dark, you know, and real cold. But this is beautiful. What a pretty night. So here we are. We've been haying up the road a little bit, and now that it's starting to dry out somewhat, we're able to really start getting into it now. So now we're going to start hitting the fields you guys always see around my house, and we'll probably get close to about 300 5x5 1,100 pound bales off of these fields around my house. I think all told we're shooting for close to 500 this year. And I only need about 110, 120 for what I have down here to my house. The majority of it goes up to the road to my in-laws, where he has triple the size of the herd of mine. But oh, just one of those nights to take it all in. You know, I don't know. A lot of people ask me, you know, geez, when do you sleep, when do you rest? And you know, a lot of people can't see the beauty in a life like this. They can't really, a lot of people can't envision that all this work is actually therapy for the soul. You know, it's how many people get to be out on their own land doing things like this and just enjoying it. If you can't stop once in a while and take it all in, boy, you're really missing out. And it really is a beautiful life. So anyway, we'll let the scenery and everything in tonight's video do most of the talking. So hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll catch you on the next one.